Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to show you how to find the updated count for the unwanted updates in WSUS. Updates like superseded, decline and obsolete updates. Having a good number of these updates can cause poor health to the WSUS database, which is the SSDB. So today I'll be showing you how you can find out the exact count of superseded, decline, and obsolete update in SSMS. And to do that, we need to open SSMS SQL Server Management Studio as an administrator. And to perform this, I'll be using one of the Microsoft article and the query which is being provided by Microsoft itself. Just wanted to let you know this query is just to find out the obsolete updates. It won't impact anything on the database. It is 100% safe to run. This is just for the people who are worried to run any queries. Anything which is starting from select, it won't impact anything. It won't make any changes in the database. It will only be checking the details we are requested. So I'll be pasting this Microsoft article in the description. So the first thing is like to update the count. A single query will help us with all the details. Simply copy this query, open your SSMS. Now either you can connect to your site or either you can connect to uh, the specific URL. My database is on WID. That is the reason I need to access the SSDB using this specific query. If your database is on the same server, like on the SQL server, then you can use the site code. So, and what we are looking for is you just need to connect to your database, and we are specifically looking for something which is called as SUSDB. SUSDB. SUSDB is nothing but the database of your WSUS. And any details we need to do or any changes we need to perform on the SQL for the WSUS, it needs to be done on WSUS. It needs to be done on this SUSDB container. So we have this SUSDB ready. Right click, click on new query, and we will have an entire page ready. We just need to paste the exact query as it is. It is from Microsoft. It is a select query. It won't make any changes. 100% easy to use, and this is the best way to find out the obsolete, superseded, and the total updates, decline updates using one single query, and simply execute here. Okay, so this is my test environment, so I only have around 4 updates and I don't have any superseded or decline updates. But just in case for you guys, make sure this running this query can take at least good amount of time, sometimes few minutes, just in case if your database is very huge. Whatever updates we are receiving, the numbers I'm talking about, apart from total updates, any updates more than 1500 for superseded, decline, and obsolete is an issue that can cause slowness, CPU high usage, and can cause issues to your WSUS database. So it requires a high maintenance. I'll be making a video related to maintenance as well. So this is how you can find out. Anything above 1500 is an issue. If the count is more than 1500, then you need to perform a WSUS cleanup. You can check my other videos related to how you can perform a cleanup on the WSUS. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.